And do you think we should all be willing to flex away from our original unique, what we think is a unique idea, taking this idea of your research and Zach putting a trial product out there that having listened to what the feedback is, we should be seriously willing to flex away from the original hard thought we had. We think we're going to change the world with X when it could be X plus 2.
Yeah, I think the idea has its life of its own. And once you've started it and you've planted the seeds for it, it'll grow into something and change over time. And of course, when you bring on the right people, you build your team, that's also going to change because now you're all building something together. So it definitely flexes and changes and grows and becomes something bigger than you could ever just do on your own.
Yeah, I agree. I think you have to be willing to pivot to bring the right solution to the end user. There are spaces, I will say, though I'm not going to say this happens in the majority of instances, but where the end user may not actually know how they would put something to use. And we experienced a little bit about that when we started to say, hey, you can now monitor the health of animals anywhere in the world, anytime. So give them that remote monitoring capability in a very simple package. And some of the specialists really grasp it pretty quickly. Oh, it'd be great if I could manage and monitor my cardiac patients out of the clinic because they're in their natural setting. But a lot of times, maybe for a general practitioner, and I'm not saying this meanly because they have their hands full with a lot of things, the remote monitoring may not have been as obvious to them. So I think you need to help them as well. Put scenarios out there to say, well, what if I could do this for you? What if I could do that? Would that be beneficial? And engage in those productive conversations.
We found dog where stories unfold.